Hey, how's it going, guys? My name is GA, and today I'll be giving away for free my new preset. Is what it does is the typing effect, or I don't know, some people call it typewriter effect. So here what it does, and pretty cool, huh? This effect is actually pretty easy to do if you go to online and YouTube, and they show how to do it. It's a lot of tutorials. But if you don't want to go through all of this, here is how you're gonna install it. So go to application, go to Adobe Perfect, and then within presets folder, download it and paste it over here, and that's it. And open your After Effects and display it. Okay, let me show you how to use it. It's pretty easy actually. Let's say let's apply some text over here. Grab this one, the same. Just doing anything. But if you want to add this effect, typewriter or writing effect, whatever, go to animation presets, and then where it says typing, just drag it on top of the text, and that's it. It's not doing anything because we haven't applied anything, but if we move it, we could see our text is actually doing the typing. Okay, pretty cool, huh? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring down to 0, and we're gonna add a keyframe, and then press U, we could see it, and like, I don't know, 3 seconds later we're gonna go up to 100%, the same with guide, 100%, and replay it. That's it, there you have it. Okay, that was really easy. You don't have to go through all of this, to do it from the beginning. I know it's pretty easy to do because I done it myself, and then the way that I did it was I searched it online, YouTube, and then I thought, oh whoa, let's do a preset and let's give it away. So now you have it. If you want to do a little bit faster, just select the last 2 keyframes and then bring it together a little bit closer, like this. Play back. Okay, play it, and it goes a lot faster, you can see. There we go, guys. The typing preset, well, download it, and if you really like it, this is really helpful. Please like the video, and if you want to subscribe. My name is GA, and thanks for watching.